Hi, I'm Kyle, and this is Ask an Engineer, where we answer all of your questions about concrete and foundation repair. And I know you want to know more about that, so let's go. Hey, so on the show we've talked a lot recently about sinking concrete slabs and some of the ways those problems are fixed. But an important question for anyone facing this type of problem has to be the decision on whether to replace the concrete or repair the concrete. So let's drill down on that. First off, let's talk about aesthetics. Does new concrete look great? Sure it does. But your concrete pavement is made up of multiple panels separated by lines called control joints. If only certain panels of your concrete are sinking, then you can expect that it's not going to be difficult to see the difference between the new concrete panels and the existing ones. Now this can give your driveway a bit of a patchwork look that you might not like. And because of that, many homeowners often prefer to keep the uniform look of their existing concrete, even though it doesn't look brand new on the surface. And how about time and disruption? Repair of sinking concrete can be done by lifting it back into place with a process called polyurethane foam injection. It's a really amazing process, and if you want to know more about it, click over to our channel where we have lots more to show you. What's important to know about it in this video is that it's effective and that it's fast. Most homes can have their existing concrete lifted and back in a level position and ready to use on the same day. Actually, it can be ready for vehicle traffic within 20 minutes of completion. On the other hand, with concrete removal and replacement, you could be without the use of your driveway for 2 or 3 weeks. So depending on your circumstance, that just might be the most important factor in your decision. Now, what about environmental impact? This is Ask an Engineer, so here comes a little bit more sciencey stuff. Production of cement, which is a key component in concrete, is a very carbon-intensive process. It's actually responsible for 8% of the world's carbon emissions. To put it another way, if cement production was its own country, it would be the world's third largest carbon emitter behind China and the United States. So if that's something that resonates with you, then repairing and preserving your existing concrete will have a smaller carbon footprint than replacing it. Now, of course, there's always the important discussion about cost, and that's really an easy one. As you might expect, concrete repair is less expensive than concrete replacement, but you may be surprised to know that you can easily spend twice as much or more replacing your concrete. If you find all this interesting and you'd like to know if repairing your sunken concrete with polyurethane foam injection is an option for you, click below and we'll help you get in contact with a professional contractor to answer that. Oh, and hey, one more thing. Remember, we're here to answer your questions. So go ahead and drop one down in the comments section. And while you're there, maybe subscribe, hit the thumbs up, turn on notifications, and just share all of our fun content. Thanks for joining us here on Ask an Engineer. I'm Kyle, and I'll see you next time.